Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for our free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on a Brother MFC-L2700 printer. We're going to show you how to replace the drum and reset the drum counter. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you have to do, open up the front door. You're going to move the toner and drum. They come out together on one piece. Once you get the toner and drum out, you're going to push on the front. There's a little green tab that's on the side of the drum. Push down that little green tab and the toner will pop right out. We'll set the old drum off to the side. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. And inside of every Onyx brand drum there is written instructions on how to replace the drum. Alright, now that we have our new drum, we're going to reinstall our toner. You'll feel it click into place. Once you do that, then there's a little green tab at the top of the drum. We're going to slide that back and forth about 2 or 3 times, going the full length of the drum and making sure that you end in the same place it started. There should be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. Once you do that, we're going to reinstall the toner and drum back inside the printer. Make sure it's pushed all the way in. It should be nice and firm in there. We're going to leave the front door open and we're going to hit the clear button. It'll ask replace drum. Push 1 for accept. And once you do that, you can close up the front door, and just like that you're back up and printing.